So in this part of the lesson I just want to show you a couple of strategies in order to create a flat back for our braid pendant that we created earlier on in the lesson. Okay, so say we want to have the back of this pendant to be completely flush so that it will sit comfortably onto a person. So there are two ways that I'll show you to achieve this, and they're both quite simple. The first one, we extrude or face offset these faces and then we trim them to a plane. So let's first of all insert a datum plane. We want this top down datum, the XY, and we'll drag this down to a reasonable point. Let's say a negative 2.25. Okay, we will then, let's see if we can get away with a face offset. Okay, it's not liking it, it's getting a bit crazy the further we go down, so let's instead extrude the face, and we'll extrude it one side just down. Okay, and we'll boolean, we won't boolean it, we'll keep it as a base, and we'll confirm there, middle click, get the opposite side, bring it down a bit further, we're just going to trim it, then we come to our trim, get our two shapes, and then we'll grab the datum plane to do the trimming. Confirm. Okay, there's our flat back. Now we can combine, add all of our parts. Okay, and it's smoothed out nicely there, and then we can come in and face offset this again. Okay, so there's the flat back. That's one strategy. Another strategy is come back prior to the extrude. We'll keep the plane there. Instead of extruding the surfaces, we will project the edges all of the edges down to the datum plane that we created. Okay, they'll be going by default in the right direction, but let's force it to make sure. Negative Z. Confirm. Okay, so we have some curves here now. Then we come in, erase these faces. Okay, and now we will build up our deeper face again and the flat face. So we'll come into the freeform, the shape, and we'll use the loft. Okay, there's various tools we could use for this point. Maybe we don't want to use the loft, we could use the ruled surface. Let's see if this is going to come in. We want no tangencies. It seems to have worked fine. We could have used our ruled surface. Let's see if this works. Okay, this one may not be so nice. Let's go back to our loft. We'll just loft the rest of these down. Okay, so we've built up our sides there. Now I just need to build up our lower face. And then again, there's multiple ways to do this. We could come in with our bi-rail loft, give that a go. Picking our two paths, our profile. Okay, it's not getting the corners so nicely. I don't like that one. We'll come in. We can try the ruled surface. That's looking nice. Okay, or maybe the end-sided or the FEM patch would work well for us as well. That's worked nicely and it's completed our shape. Okay, we can still see that it's not one complete shape because of these dotted lines. They show an open edge. Okay, so then we want to come in, heal, and sew our shapes. And there we have our flat back again. Okay, and if we wanted, we could do the face offset to bring that back in. Okay, so that's two strategies there for getting a flat back to an otherwise non-flat surface.